Good morning all. We're on Wednesday the 6th of the 4th 2022. Charts GBPJPY 30-minute time frame. I just want to go over quickly yesterday just so I can clean my charts up a bit, because I leave all this on for the videos I do today for the previous day so we can review it. Okay, straight into it. We got this trend line drawn here. We got the confirmed high, lower high trend line drawn. Don't forget, always keep in mind that about these period separators, so we know there's the end of the day there, and then we're into Asia. So we took this trade which we spoke about yesterday, aggressive early entry against the 50, got in, pushed up, hit me break even, and then we was at this high anyway, so I've closed the second position. So we had a 25 pips to TP1, second position closed at 33. So let's delete that off there, and then because this is an aggressive entry, which I just place with experience sake of trading a strategy, I know then that I'm still actually waiting for the planned entry, which is break of structure, close above the 50, wait for the retracement back to the 8, and then enter. So I got my second position here, which was to plan. Hit me TP1, so my second position. I brought me stop to break even. Just trying to think why this closed out on this second. So basically, I had two positions here, which I can't quite remember why second entry was closed out also at 25 pips, but ayo, it did. But I had two positions here, and both hit was closed out at 25 pips. So forget that one. Let's move on. And then as price pushed up further, I seen this rejection here, this bearish candle with this wick rejection down to this level here, which when I seen then this bullish close of this candle here, you can see better if I move my cursor away. I got another entry in there, and I'd deleted some of my targets up here, but price just pushed straight up, broke my TP1, second position up to break even, risk free, and second position closed out at 28 pips. So let's just get rid of some of these break even points, clean the chart up, and we'll discuss the current trade we're in today. So let's get rid of that. And rid of that. Oh, that looks better. Let's get rid of that. How's that? So we can see we had a confirmed higher low, end of day yesterday. There's this period separator, light grey line, trend line drawn, and we can see weakness when we start seeing a break of that trend line here, that structure into Asia here. So I wake up pre-London and we get this area here where we got a rejection coming up to this 1 hour level I've drawn around about 162.721 area. But I just also actually, I should have left that trend line on for you. I want to just draw your attention over here again. Higher high, lower high, extend the trend line. So look at this area here. End of day, there's the light grey line into Asia. We've got a break of that trend line, break of structure here, sign of weakness, and then we get the break here as discussed in yesterday's video. So look at this, and now look at this. This is what gets my attention, is when we get that break. It's not clear to the visible eye, it's not clear to many, but this is why this confirmed factual indicator for me is the best. There's no this is a guaranteed fact confirmed higher high, fact higher high, fact higher low, fact higher low. So this indicator is powerful. It's like sometimes when you're looking at the charts, you know, we've got so many wicks and closes and minor levels in between. It's not always easy to draw. When I first started trading, there's no way I'd draw my trend lines like this. No way. It'd be more like this. More like this. Let's get in here. Or, do you know what I mean? So this is how powerful this indicator is. It just gives us ease. It's a confirmation of a higher low or a higher high, and then we can see that clear break of structure. So I highly recommend it, to be honest. Forget all the other indicators, but this high low low strategy indicator, yeah, it's powerful. It displays to us, you know, a confirmed level. So yeah, I'm waffling on a bit, aren't I? So as you can see, visually you can see weakness. We can see weakness again here, and then into today's trade here, we can see here we were getting rejections up here near this level, the 1 hour level. You know, I draw my horizontal support and resistance on the 1 hour chart, 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I'm looking for my trend lines to be drawn on the 30-minute time frame. You know, there's no you can trade this strategy just off the 30-minute time frame. You do not have to go down to lower time frames. Yeah, I tend to, because you get that better entry, but you know, it's not, you don't have to do that. So anyway, I opened a position earlier on the break here in this bearish candle. Yeah, price come down. I did close out here because I'd see price was just struggling to get past the 50. I was opening it at me break even here, so I closed them positions out. My second one come up back up, and I closed that out for a small profit. This here now is a second entry for me today. Here, as price shot back up on this bearish candle here, there, line with me here, crosshair there, I re-entered again here, short. Yeah, so we'll just see what happens. We're actually into drawdown on this now, but I'm okay. Everything's fine. If we get our stop loss, then that's all good. What will be will be. And then we'll see if we do get a confirmed high low. Maybe we will. We get the trend line, get the break, get the retest, and boom. But because I enter on I refer to when I'm trading against the 50, which is not part of the trading plan, I refer to that as an aggressive entry. But what I love is the fact if when that aggressive entry happens, I'm still waiting for the actual setup. Because the actual setup here is the break of structure here. We're against the 50. We wait for the close below the 50. Then we wait for the retracement to the 8 to enter short. Yeah. So all good. I mean, people say, you know, you should stick to your trade plan. I say be flexible with your trading. Yeah. So perhaps, yeah, if you're learning this strategy, stick to the trade plan. But as you gain more experience trading this strategy, take your aggressive entries. Yeah, back towards the 50, as well as closing over. Yeah, but you know, these examples I'm giving you today are breaks of structure towards the 50 against the trend. Yeah, but every now and then we're going to get them confirmed trend line drawn in line with the trend. Yeah, so we get the break close above this trend line, in line with the trend, in line with the 50. So all we do then is just wait for that slight pullback to the 8 to go long. Yeah, it just happens today we're giving examples against the trend towards the 50. I hope I've not waffled on too much with that explanation. Let's see how this goes later. Yeah, let's see if there's an opportunity for another position today. Let's see. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you later.